Hello YouTube. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel Share Knowledge video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install WhatsApp on Windows 10 PC and laptop. There are two ways you can use WhatsApp on your computer: WhatsApp web and desktop. WhatsApp web and desktop are computer-based extension of the WhatsApp account on your phone. The messages you send and receive are synchronized between your phone and computer, and you can see your messages on both devices. WhatsApp can be used on your desktop without a browser. To install WhatsApp desktop on your computer, download it from Microsoft Store or WhatsApp website. Okay, you can download WhatsApp desktop from Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store from your taskbar or from Start menu Applications. Click on the search icon on the top right of the screen. Then type WhatsApp in the search box and click on search. Click on the WhatsApp in the search results. Here click on Get for download. Once download complete, click on Install. If you are already installed once on your computer, the button may say Install rather than Get. Okay, once install complete, now click on Launch. Now the WhatsApp icon will appear on your Start menu Applications. You can see here your Start menu. Okay, if you don't have Microsoft account, you can download WhatsApp desktop from WhatsApp website. Okay, you have to open your web browser, go to WhatsApp website and download WhatsApp web for your PC. Once the download is complete, you have to open the WhatsApp exe to install WhatsApp on your computer. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. Okay, once you complete the installation, open it WhatsApp. Make sure both devices be connected to internet for the WhatsApp web to work. Okay, open it WhatsApp. Then you will see this kind of window to use WhatsApp on your computer. Open the WhatsApp on your phone. Tap three dots menu on the top right corner of the screen and select WhatsApp web. Okay, point your phone to this screen to capture the WhatsApp desktop QR code. Once you've done that, you will see operating WhatsApp from your computer. Okay, now you are ready to start using WhatsApp. If you have a WhatsApp active account, you can send messages and media around the globe so long as you are connected to the internet. Okay, thanks for watching and supporting. Thanks for watching. If you have any issues, comments below. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure hit like and share. Your contribution is more confidence. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Once again, thanks for watching and subscribing. See you next video. Bye. Take care.